So this is the Taubik Tour. This is the 2024 model, and I'll go through a few differences with that, but they are the same model in terms of the frame. The frame's the same. So this is unique. You're gonna see more fat tire step-through bikes, and to understand a fat tire, you really have to ride one to understand, but it makes your ride smoother. You go over different terrain a little safer, obviously, because you've got more tire on the ground. So if you're going over those routes or gravel, you're just a little more stable. But it's also a step through, so it feels safer. And it is safer because if you have to jump off, and I'm shorter too, right? I'm 5'3", but I can have this bike fit me no problem. And 48 volt, 500 watt motor, 15 amp hour, LG or Samsung cells, so name brand, which is amazing. 2024s are UL2849 certified. I'll do another video on what that means. It's pretty awesome. It's certified, and it's important. Not necessary, but it's important. So these are 26x4 fat tires, so fairly standard, but this bike comes with everything you would ever want. Your fenders, your rear rack, your front and rear lights. The lights are extra bright this year, and I'll show you that. Your 5-speed assist. This bike's very powerful. You will not have any trouble going up any hills. 8-gear Shimano shifter, and this is the quick shift, which is great. But I want to show you one of the most beautiful things is adjusting. So this is a bike that can fit many different size people, and this is what Taubik's done with their whole lineup. This is a quick release. Now you can adjust this. I'll just loosen it off a little bit. So you can have these go all the way. I gotta loosen up a little bit less, a little bit. There we go. And so these can go all the way down. Then you can move your handlebars. Oh, I tightened it. Boo. Lefty, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And then they can come all the way up. So depending, and you can change this for different rides, but really once you kind of set it, you can put it where you want. Once you get where you want it, you tighten it a little bit. Oh, this way. I just fucking chipped it. Fuck. Okay, so you can, are you still rolling?
Yep.
So the really beautiful thing about Taubik is that they come with touch-up paint. Clearly this is our demo now, just fine, but they come up with touch-up paint. I am not using the tool that they came with. I would just let you know. They come with a proper toolkit, and I decided to use this. This is from like Princess Auto. Brega. Anyways, that's okay. So you tighten that, and now it tightens your handlebars. Okay, I'm gonna tell you how to take out the battery. So why is it on the bottom as well is that you do with a bike, you want to be able to even out the weight distribution of it. So it has two ways. You have to put in the key, turn it down. It's got a nice little indicator there that says unlock, unlock. See how it drops like that? Now you have a secondary release and take your battery out. Oh, see, they got a little handle. That's how thoughtful Taubik is. I love that. It also helps it on the other side. I think it's a handle, but actually I think it helps keep the battery in more. Yeah, because it holds there. Give it a good snug, and that's already locked. So that's pretty easy. I like to keep them in. So your lights, suspension is adjustable. You've got thicker discs, brighter lights. I gotta show you this back here too. Actually here, we're gonna turn this on. I'm gonna take this off. Press and hold for 3 seconds. It's a beautiful screen. This is your up and down for your assist. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down there, throttle's on this side. That's very smart because then you have your power on this side and you have your gears on that side. You have hydraulic disc brakes, very important for electric bicycles because they're just safer, right? They're a slightly slower stop, but they're not going to stick. They're not going to stick. So back to the rear. So press and hold the up button to turn the lights on. Lights are on. Brake lights! Who loves, that's awesome. Brake lights, we want that. And then at the front, I know it's not light, but these are very bright. I don't know how many lumens there are. They're on our website, but it's way brighter than any other model. And that's just part of the upgrades of the 2024 as well. They've added a cup holder, which you can take off because if you want some extra space here, right? You can take it off, but hey, it's there if you want it. Really comfortable seat. Look at that. Squishy, squishy. Seat goes way up too, right? That's what I mean. This can fit different size people, a 6'5" man or 5'3" shorty, right? Very versatile. They are, I think, $27.49, and they come in 5 different colors: a taupe, a bright blue, a green, and black, and of course the maroon. So thanks for watching. So this is what you get with all of your Taubikes. You get a manual. You get the manual for the Speedo. You get the proper tool, although you could drop that too. Touch-up paint. And of course your charger's in there. So I'm gonna touch this up. Give it a good shake. Darren will smooth this out for me, but you give it a good shake. This is important too because you want to seal that, right? Oh, Jolene didn't do a very good job of that either. So I'm gonna actually not touch that. I am gonna touch it. Oh, nice. What else am I gonna do? I'm gonna see if I can, be like how to touch up your bike. Not bad. I'm just gonna go wipe that off and boom. Bike's not chipped anymore.